Hi everybody, it's Madeline Satan again, the Presidio County Extension Agent. So today is day 4 of Science Week, and today we're going to make rock candy. So let's go ahead and get started. For this project, you will need 4 cups of sugar, and I'm going to reuse this mason jar later, some wooden skewers, a clothespin, food coloring. I'm going to use this red food coloring, vanilla extract, and you can use peppermint, vanilla, almond extract, anything that you want. And then you'll also need a paper plate, and I have about a cup of sugar on here that we will be dipping our wooden skewer in. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Okay, for step 1, you'll want to go ahead and boil 2 cups of water, and then you'll want to add your 4 cups of sugar to the water. Make sure to stir the sugar in really well. Continue boiling the sugar-water mixture until all of the sugar is dissolved. Right now is also a good time to go ahead and add your vanilla extract or any other type of flavoring that you want to your sugar solution. After the sugar is completely dissolved, go ahead and turn your burner off and let the solution sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. While we are waiting for our sugar solution to cool down, we're going to go ahead and get our wooden skewer, and you'll want to put this in some running water, and then we're going to roll our wooden skewer in the sugar. Now begin rolling your skewer in the sugar. If you need to, if your plate is not big enough, you can go ahead and just put some sugar on top. All right, my wooden skewer is covered in sugar. Before we move on to the next step, you need to make sure that your wooden skewer is completely dry. Now that the sugar solution is cooled down, you'll notice that it's a little thick. Do you know why that is? It's time to add the food coloring. For the next step, you might need the help of an adult. Go ahead and pour your sugar solution into a jar. I have my mason jar that I'm going to use here. Now that my sugar solution is in my jar, I'm going to go ahead and put my wooden skewer in. Now be very careful and make sure that your wooden skewer is not touching the bottom or the sides of the jar. That's where our clothespin comes in handy. I've secured my clothespin to my skewer, and I went ahead and put a paper towel on top. As you can see, my wooden skewer is not touching the sides and it's not touching the bottom. This is exactly how you want it. Completed this step, go ahead and place your mason jar in a cool, quiet, and dry place and let the crystals grow. It'll take about a week to 2 weeks for the crystals to fully grow. Alright everyone, as you can see, my sugar solution is sitting back on my oven. So let's go ahead and cover the science behind the rock candy. Earlier in this video, I had asked why you thought that the sugar solution was so thick. Well, that's because we had only 2 cups of water and 4 cups of sugar. And that makes a super saturated sugar solution. Why do you think that's important for making rock candy? So, the super saturated water and sugar solution is important in making rock candy because it allows the crystals to form on the wooden skewer. Without that super saturated solution, these crystals would not be able to form. Also, the reason why it's important to let your sugar solution sit out for about a week or 2 is it takes quite a while for the crystals to grow. As the water evaporates in your sugar solution that is super saturated, the crystals will grow larger and larger. The sugar crystals will reach their maximum growth by about 2 weeks. So go ahead and watch your sugar crystals grow. Okay everyone, I hope y'all had so much fun today making this solution. I know it was super easy, but go ahead and sit back and watch your sugar solution. And also take a picture once your rock candy is made and go ahead and post it below this video. Y'all have a great day and stay safe. Bye!